Hey, Lord, one day. Hey, let's go.
Big boys in the house. Let's go. Let me there. Pretend like say you there, but make una shake una body. It's one. Let me there. Pretend like say you there, but make una shake una body.
Hey guys,
what's up guys?
It's going down.
It's going down this year.
Umu Igbo Unite. Umu Igbo Unite 2009.
Umu Igbo Unite Convention 2009 in Houston, Texas.
Houston, Texas.
Houston, Texas.
Houston, Texas, July 31st to August 2nd at the Doubletree Hotel.
MBOC, Afrojuice, Jaguda, Rising Sun.
That's right. It's going down. MBOC Entertainment. You have Rising Sun, and you have Jaguda, the whole Afrojuice. Come down to Houston, Texas. I don't care if you're Igbo, Yoruba, Hausa, Fulani.
Akwa Ibom.
Of course, Akwa Ibom.
I'm not Igbo. It doesn't matter if you're Igbo. You come there, look for an Igbo man, an Igbo anything. Come there, look for your friends. Anything Igbo's gonna be there.
Friday, it's going down at the Picasso. First of all, we're going to have like a picnic / soccer tournament for unisex. That's boys and girls and men and female can come together and play. So come out there for the meet and greet. Then Saturday, we're going to have a business summit on a banquet at the Doubletree Hotel, Houston, Texas. So be there, and think about Sunday too. We're going to church, and then we're all going to meet together and say bye-bye.
Hey, Lord, one day. Hey, let's go.
Big boys in the house. Let's go.